So today I'll be showing you how you can make money on TikTok with less than 1,000 followers. If you're not here on TikTok or you're thinking, how can I make money on TikTok? I don't have followers. So stay to the end of this video as I will show you how you can make money. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Favor. On this channel, I tell you different ways you can make money online. If this is what you are looking for, do what to stay to the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Okay, so let's get into what we have today. I'm going to be showing my screen recording here. Okay, so we are going to log into your TikTok app. Log into your TikTok app. Okay, so this place is called For You page. All right, where you watch people, different videos, different live stream. Okay, so it's your For You page. You scroll through it, but that is not what we are going to use. So you're going to click on your profile. Then you can see TikTok Studio. Click on the TikTok Studio, and then it's going to bring out this page for you. All right, click on work with artists under monetization. Okay, you can see work with artists. Click on work with artists. It's going to open up. Okay, these are different challenges going on right now, which if you use any of the sounds they are going to earn. And these ones are the closed campaign. I'm going to see closed campaigns. Those ones are no longer active, they are finished. Okay, so we are going to be using one of these sounds now as an example. Okay, I'm going to click on number one there, which is $35 own. So no, top from here you can see that top 1 to 5 that use the sound are going to get $35 each, while top 6 to 10 will get $25 each, and top 11 to 20 will get $20 each. Okay, so and if you use the sound and people are inspired by your sound and use your sound, you are going to get $50 bonus. Okay, so these are the requirements they need from you. You have to read the instructions so that you will not get cancelled, your submission won't get cancelled. Okay, so they want you to use this CapCut style. Use the CapCut in the video example provided to create your own video. So they gave you a video style example, the CapCut you are going to use. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to watch what they want you to do. Okay, so let's click on it. So this is the CapCut they want you to use. So when you click CapCut templates they want you to use, so when you click on it, you are going to use it for your own video. Okay, insert your pictures. Okay, so let's see people that have already done theirs. Okay, click on leaderboard so that we can see people that have already done theirs. Okay, so when you come to this leaderboard, I can see that we already have like 20 creators that have done that, and their likes are still low, so you can still come and surpass them if you do yours now. So I'm going to do my own and submit. Okay, let's click on this number one person to see what she did. She just inserted her, used the CapCut template and inserted her pictures in the template. Okay, very simple, very simple. And this campaign will be ending on the 15th, so you still have time to do yours. Okay, you can still do yours today and join the campaign. All right, always check your work with artists to know when campaign is going on. So this is the second person we are watching now. Okay, so if you go ahead and scroll, you will see what every other person did, and you can also do yours. All right, so let me do one now. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So I'm going to use the CapCut template and do mine. Okay, I'm going to click on this CapCut template. It will take me to CapCut. Say use template in your CapCut. Okay, I'm going to click on use template in your CapCut. All right, let's wait for it to load. Hope you are getting value on this video. So we are going to click on use templates. Click on use templates. It's going to open up your pictures, your videos. Okay, so with this video I'm selecting pictures. I want to use pictures. Okay, so I'm going to select all the pictures that I want to use for this particular video submission. I'm going to select all the pictures that I want to use. Okay, so as I'm doing that, if you know you are finding value on this video, make sure you like this video and comment. If you have any question, click on the link on my bio, join my Telegram group and ask me your questions. Okay, and then do wait to subscribe to this channel. All right, so let's keep selecting the pictures that we need. So I'm going to fast forward this right now. Okay, so once I finish selecting the pictures, I'm going to click on next. All right, so let's do that. So as I'm selecting the picture, hope you are getting value. So this is basically how you can make money on TikTok with less than 1,000 followers that people will not tell you. So start doing this now and start making money on TikTok. All right. You can still when you select a picture and you don't like the picture that you selected, you can still replace the picture. All right. So I finished selecting the picture. I'm going to click on next. So my video is creating now. So this is what I have. I've already created my own video right now. So can you see it's playing? Can you see my video is playing? The video is playing. So I want to change this. Okay, let me show you how you can replace a video, a picture. If you want to change a picture, just click on the picture you want to replace, click on replace, find another picture that you want, find another picture you want and replace it. Okay, so let's replace another one. Click on the picture you want to replace, find another picture you want to use for that and replace it. That's all. Very simple, very cutesy, very demure. Okay, so let's be serious. Okay, so once I'm done with I'm done and I like what I have, I'm going to click on add sound in TikTok. Can you see it up there? So I'm going to click on it, add sound in TikTok. All right, so let's click on add sound in TikTok. So my I've clicked on it and it's exporting now. Okay, it is exporting right now. So we are going to wait for it to finish. So once it's done, we are going to click on share to TikTok. All right, I'm going to click on share to TikTok so that it will go to our TikTok. So I've clicked on share to TikTok. It is loading right now. Okay, so right now I'm in my TikTok right now. So it's already loading. So I'm going to wait for it to finish loading. Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to crop out this part because I'm going to crop out some part because a sound actually entered this video. So I forgot to mute it. So I'm going to crop out this part, all right? And then show what I want to show again. So right now I'm in my TikTok. So I'm going to click on next. It's already on my TikTok. I'm going to click on next so I can add my caption and everything, okay? So let's do that. So I clicked on next, okay? Type in your caption, type in everything. So I've typed in my caption, okay? I've already posted it, okay? So I click on post and then I'll click on stay back in TikTok, all right? So once I'm done with that, I'm going to head back to work with artists. I'm going to head back to work with artists and submit it, okay? So I'll come back here to work with artists, okay? So once I'm back here, I'm going to click on, you can see submit video down. So you are going to go down and see submit video, right? Let's do that right now. So we've clicked on submit video. So it's already showing the video I've made. So one thing about it's going to show all the videos that you've made that particular period. So all you have to do is select the one that you have. So this is the only video I've already made. So I'm going to select this video and then click on submit. All right, I'm going to click on select and then click on submit. All right. So see, you can submit up to 5 videos during each campaign. So you can make as much videos as possible and submit. You can submit up to 5 videos, okay? So I've clicked on submit and then submit. So it's already uploading. So okay, I have submitted it. So I'm going to click on got it. Then if you don't have your payment method set up, you can still go ahead and set up your payment method. So but I'll not be doing that on this video. So this is basically how you work with artists. Okay, so at the end of the campaign, if you are able to meet up the top 20s, you get paid. Okay, so go ahead now and start using work with artists on your TikTok so that you start making money on TikTok with less than 1,000 followers. People are already using it. I saw someone that just have only 28 followers and he's making money with work with artists. Okay, so if you're not using work with artists, start using it now and make money. If you need more guidance on how to use work with artists, just click the link on my bio, join my Telegram group and ask me a direct question. I'm going to answer you and direct you guys. All right, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, thank you so much.